for joining us on the news update on Enyimba TV. My name is Esther Chema. A shocking scandal has erupted in a street off MCC Road along Standard Hospital, leaving residents reeling in disgust and disappointment as it was discovered that a 44-year-old man, known to the community as Mr. Ikechukwu, a family man and a father of 5, had been abusing a 15-year-old child whose name has been withheld. This disturbing revelation came to light as the perpetrator, Mr. Ikechukwu, was caught in the act by his boss, who raised an alarm, leading to apprehension by residents of the neighborhood. Further investigation into the matter revealed that the suspect had been constantly abusing the victim for over a year, which sparked an outrage, with residents demanding justice and questioning how such a heinous act could occur right in their faces. As authorities have launched an investigation into the matter, with charges of statutory rape and exploitation to be filed against the suspect, residents of Aba are faced with the stark reminder of predators lurking in plain sight, while still vowing to obtain justice for this young victim, as the issue of child abuse is a collective responsibility to prevent. Aba Power Limited, APL, has announced a planned power outage due to maintenance work by the Transmission Company of Nigeria, TCN, on the Aloji Aba 132 kV transmission line. In a statement by Aba Power made available to Enyimba TV, the maintenance is scheduled to occur from October 1 to 7, 2024, between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. daily. The company said the planned outage is necessary for TCN to carry out critical repairs on transmission line. As a result, power supply within areas served by APL will be disrupted during the maintenance period. The company apologized for any inconveniences caused and urged customers to remain patient, noting that the maintenance is essential for improving the reliability of the power network. Abia State Universal Basic Education Board, ABSUBEB, is warning schools against using school children to clear overgrown compounds. The executive chairman of ABSUBEB, Lydia Onoha, issued the warning during a media release, warning that any school found flouting the directives would face severe consequences. This follows the state government's earlier decision to postpone school resumption date from September 16 to September 23 due to a public holiday. She said ABSUBEB is taking the matter seriously, with plans to conduct random inspection visits to schools and local government area education authorities to ensure full compliance with the directive. 18 political parties in Abia State have called on the state government for financial support ahead of the local council elections scheduled for November 2nd, 2024. The request was made during a meeting with Abia State Independent Electoral Commission Chairman, Professor George Chima, where the parties cited the short notice as a challenge for raising the necessary funds and resources for campaigning. The meeting held at the ABSEC office in Umuahia was notable for the absence of the All Progressives Congress APC. However, other political parties, including the Inter-Party Advisory Council IPAC, led by Uluocha Chimex of the Young Progressive Party YPP, expressed frustration over the election's timing and asked ABSEC to urge Governor Alex Otti to release funds to support their participation. As the National Assembly resumes today from its annual recess, the Senate leader, Okpeyemi Bamidele, says both chambers of the National Assembly are expecting President Bola Tinubu to present the 2025 budget as well as the new medium-term expenditure framework and fiscal strategy paper. In a personally signed statement, Bamidele said the consideration of MTEF occupies a prime place on the rung of their legislative agenda. The MTEF is a legal framework that provides a template for the budget and is usually submitted to the Parliament ahead of the President's presentation of his yearly budget to lawmakers. The Senate leader also revealed that the Constitution review, which had been ongoing since the inauguration of the committee, will take its full course in the coming months. Both the red and green chambers had embarked on their annual recess on July 17 and are due to resume plenary activities today. And now from the business scene, President and Chief Executive of Dangote Group, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, is calling on the federal government to end fuel subsidies completely. Speaking in a 26-minute interview with Bloomberg Television in New York. Monitored by Enyimba TV, Dangote said now is the right time to end fuel subsidies. He said the removal will help determine the actual petrol consumption in the country, as he confirmed ownership of 2 oil blocks in the upstream sector with an expected production date of next month. Dangote also stated that fuel production from his $20 billion mega refinery in Lagos will help ease pressures on the naira. And now sports. Libya has confirmed they will host Nigeria at the Benina Mataya Stadium for a 2025 Africa Cup of Nations AFCON qualifier on 14th October. The Super Eagles of Nigeria currently lead Group D of the qualifying campaign with 4 points from 2 matches, while Libya is at the bottom with 1 point. This match day 4 clash will follow Libya's visit to Uyo for their match day 3 fixture. The Benina Mataya Stadium, situated 19 kilometers outside Benghazi, will host the encounter, which will kick off at 8 p.m. Nigerian time, while the Uyo fixture will start at 5 p.m. Libya's position at the bottom of Group D comes after 2 matches, including a 1-1 home draw against Rwanda at the Tripoli International Stadium and a 1-2 loss to the Benin Republic Cheetahs in Abidjan. Now that's our package of the news for now. Please join us for more updates in our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thanks so much for watching. I am Esther Chema. Enjoy your day.